If you're preparing for IELTS and you're nervous about speaking, don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to answer IELTS Speaking Part 1. Clearly, confidently, and in a way that examiners love, even if your English is not perfect. Stay until the end because I'll give you real Band 7 sample answers and simple formula you can use in your test. Let's start with what IELTS Speaking Part 1 really is. Speaking Part 1 is the introduction and interview section of the test. It lasts 4 to 5 minutes and the examiner will ask you simple questions about familiar topics like your home, your work or studies, your hobbies, food, daily routines, family, and free time. These questions are not difficult. The examiner is not trying to trick you. They want to see how well you communicate simple ideas in English. Here's the biggest mistake I see. Many students give very short answers like yes, no, I like it. These answers are too short and do not show your English ability. Remember, short does not mean safe. The perfect answer formula is answer plus reason plus small detail. For Speaking Part 1, use this simple formula. Answer the question, give one reason, add a small detail or example. Sample question number 1. Do you like your hometown? A weak answer would be, yes, I like it. And a Band 7 answer, yes, I really like my hometown because it's very peaceful. It's not crowded and people know each other, which makes life more comfortable. See, one idea clearly explained, not long, not difficult. Sample question number 2. What do you do in your free time? Band 7 answer, in my free time, I usually watch English videos on YouTube. I like it because it helps me improve my listening skills and I can learn new vocabulary at the same time. This answer is natural and sounds confident. Many students ask me, should I use big words? The answer is no. IELTS examiners prefer clear English, not difficult English. A clear Band 7 answer is better than a confusing Band 8 answer. Pronunciation and fluency tips. You don't need a perfect accent, but you should speak clearly, avoid long pauses, don't rush, sound natural. If you make a small grammar mistake, don't stop. Keep going. Final tips for test day. So on test day, relax, smile, treat it like a normal conversation. Don't memorize answers word for word. Memorized answers sound fake and examiners can hear that. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe. Comment below if you want more Speaking Part 1 questions, Speaking Part 2 tips, or Band 7 to 9 sample answers. Good luck with your IELTS. You can do this.